Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to solve a simple problem using Java. This is a very simple problem, and this could be one of the first few programs that you write in Java. Now, I'm going to use this website called codingbat.com because it's a very simple and easy to use website. You can write the code on the website itself, and once you finish writing your code, you can just press the button Go, and the code will compile and run on the browser itself. So let's go ahead and write this code for this particular problem that we are studying here. And the problem is, given two integers a and b, we have to return true if one of them is 10 or if their sum is 10. So either a is 10 or b is 10, or if the sum of a and b is 10, we have to return true. So let's see how we can write this code. So first, what we have is we have an if statement. That is, if a is 10 or b is 10 or the sum of a and b is 10, we are going to return true. Otherwise, we are going to return false. So we have an if statement here. So that's what we are going to write. So if, we're going to first write if a equal to 10. Now the thing to remember here is the two equal to signs that are needed. Now a equal to 10 is needed because 1 equal to just means assignment and 2 equal to's actually means comparison. So we are now comparing if a is equal to 10. Next, we have to compare if b is equal to 10. These two vertical lines are actually the OR condition, or capture the OR condition. That is, we are now going to test if b is equal to 10. That is, either a is equal to 10 or b is equal to 10. In any one of these two conditions, we will return true. There's another third condition, which is the sum is equal to 10. That is, we're going to have another OR condition, which is once again these two vertical lines. And what we are going to write is if a plus b equal to, and this equal to 10. Okay. Now, what we are doing here is I'm going to put some additional parentheses so that you know what the three conditions are. So we have a equal to 10, b equal to 10, and a plus b equal to 10. We will need one additional parenthesis so that we complete the first parenthesis right after the if statement begins. Okay, so now that we have written the three conditions, we open a curly brace, and as soon as we put enter, you will see that a curly brace automatically appears on the browser. This is how this browser has been set up. Now, then, if these three conditions match, we are going to return true. And we put a semicolon there because that's the syntax. Next, if none of these conditions are met, that is, a is not 10 or b is not 10 or their sum is not 10, then we can just return false. And that's what we are going to do. Now, having written this code, I'll just press the Go button, and you will see that the code will run, and it passes all the test cases. There are a whole bunch of test cases in Java that are already coded up for this particular example in CodingBat, and it passes all these test cases. For example, if you consider the third test case, which is makes 10 1, 9, the answer is true, and our code will also return true simply because it checks the condition that a plus b is equal to 10. With this, I'll complete this video. If you like this video, please watch the rest of the playlist, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.